Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to fix Facebook we are receiving your request to access marketplace problem. So in order to fix the Facebook marketplace access request, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, go and log in into your account. Also make sure that the application is completely up to date, and then to begin with you just have to go ahead and tap on the try bar icon from the top right hand side. And when you press on it, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to go to the marketplace. While you're on this page, you just have to tap the try bar icon and once again go to settings and privacy. After that, go to settings, and when you have actually pressed on it, it's going to take you to this page. So here you just have to go ahead and click on help and support. Next you go to help center. After that, it's going to take you to this field where you can go ahead and select marketplace once more time in order to let them know that you're having issue with the marketplace. And here you need to scroll down a bit and then press the no button. As you do this, you should be able to click on it, and right on this page or on the optional field you go ahead and type in actual issue. You could go ahead and type in that you're having an issue with the access marketplace, and they should be able to respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. So that is how you can fix your Facebook. We are reviewing your request to access marketplace problem. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.